Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Science and technology related topic mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our channel, then you can subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to click bell button in the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get the notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from beginning to the end. Okay friends, let's start. Today we will discuss about Notepad useful tips to write automatic date and time. So it is very useful tips, or it is also a trick to write Notepad. Suppose I am going to start to Notepad. So here I want to write something. Suppose I write I I am going to office today. I am going and uh, and I have an urgent meeting. I am going to office today and I have an urgent meeting, and I just going to save this file. I am save it in desktop and name is office. So I just save it and just go to the beginning, and just first you just type dot or full stop and write log in caps. After you write dot log in caps, and you just save it and just close this window, then you just, and again you just open, and then see that the time, whatever the 9:14 p.m. and today's date is showing here. Again I will show you. USN mix post a video on video at, so I write USN mix post a video at, and just not enter, just go to the file and save, and just close the window. And again when I will just open, it's right here. See, this is 9:15 p.m. The right time of your computer will shown in this notepad after you close the window. So if you write dot log in caps, dot log, whatever I write in dot log in caps, and after that you just write this paragraph or article and save it. And after when you open the same file, then we just see that the time and the date of the current time and current date is showing after the, when you just write this article, and that time is showing on this after the below of this article or paragraph of or this line. So this is the very good tip or tricks of this notepad. It is very helpful. If you want to use it, then you can use this trick, and this is one of the good trick of this notepad through this video. If you like our video, then subscribe And thanks for watching this video, and if you like our channel and like to watch same type of video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe of US and Mix YouTube channel. If you want to share any information about the video, then you can also make comments. Thank you very much for watching this video once again. Thank you.